Welcome to the Herbal Beat. It's the season of sweet treats, warm drinks, and festive flavors. And what better spice to spotlight than cinnamon? Not only does it add that magical holiday touch to your cookies and eggnog, but did you know it's also a powerhouse of health benefits? Stick around, because in this video we are uncovering 5 surprising ways cinnamon can boost your health this holiday season. From fighting off winter colds to balancing your blood sugar, this humble spice might just become your new holiday hero. Imagine this. You're baking your favorite cinnamon rolls, and every sprinkle of that aromatic spice isn't just adding flavor, it's working wonders for your body. Sounds too good to be true? Well, research shows cinnamon has been used for centuries as a natural remedy, and modern science is backing up its incredible benefits. But here's the twist. It's not just any cinnamon. There's a special kind you might not even know about that packs an extra punch. Stick around and I'll reveal which type of cinnamon you should be using to make the most of its health-boosting properties. Let's kick off with immunity, something we all need during the chilly holiday season. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants that help your body fight off those pesky winter colds. Studies show it has powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a natural defense against seasonal bugs. A simple recipe: add a stick of cinnamon to your tea or sprinkle it into your morning oatmeal to give your immune system a festive boost. How about blood sugar? Yes, cinnamon can actually help balance your blood sugar levels. Now that's something sweet pastry lovers will love. This is great news, especially if you're indulging in all those holiday desserts. Cinnamon helps improve your body's response to insulin, making it a natural way to prevent sugar crashes. Try adding Ceylon cinnamon to your baked goods or smoothies. It has a milder, sweeter taste than the cassia variety and is perfect for daily use. Don't overdo the sweets though. We don't want to cancel out the positive benefits of the cinnamon, do we? Are you loving these cinnamon benefits so far? Let me know your favorite way to use cinnamon in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button if you're finding this helpful. So, you've eaten all that niceness, and now you're feeling a little too full after that feast. Cinnamon to the rescue. It has been known to ease bloating, indigestion, and even nausea. For a quick remedy, just boil a stick of cinnamon in water, let it steep for 10 minutes, and sip slowly. It's soothing, delicious, and festive all in one. Now, all the planning and execution of holiday festivities can bring on holiday stress. Got your joints feeling all stiff? Cinnamon to the rescue. Cinnamon contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce pain and swelling. This makes it a great natural option for anyone dealing with arthritis or sore muscles. For best results, try combining cinnamon with turmeric for a double dose of anti-inflammatory power, perfect for a spiced golden milk recipe. Here's one that might surprise you. Cinnamon can actually help boost your brain power. Studies suggest it may enhance memory and focus, which is perfect when you're juggling all those holiday tasks. Sprinkle some on your morning coffee or hot chocolate to start your day with a cognitive boost. It's a small habit that can make a big difference. So, there you have it. 5 surprising health benefits of cinnamon to make your holiday season even more magical. Whether you're baking up a storm, sipping a warm cuppa, or looking for natural health remedies, cinnamon has you covered. Before you go, remember to subscribe for more natural health tips and recipes every week here on the Herbal Beat. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. And if you found this helpful, share it with a friend who could use a little cinnamon magic this season. Thanks for watching, and may your holidays be as sweet and healthy as a sprinkle of cinnamon. See you in the next video.